Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious coffee smoothie at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold brewed coffee or 2 shots of espresso for that essential coffee kick. Next, grab 1 ripe banana, peeled and sliced, which adds natural sweetness and creaminess. Have 1/2 cup of your favorite milk, dairy or non-dairy, ready. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sweetener, like maple syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to blend. Carefully pour the coffee, banana, milk, sweetener, and vanilla into your high-speed blender. To get that perfect frosty consistency, add about 1 cup of ice cubes. Make sure the lid is securely fastened before you start. Blend on high speed for 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If necessary, pause and scrape down the sides to ensure everything is incorporated. One of the best parts about making smoothies at home is the ability to customize them. For an extra protein boost, try adding 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. If you love chocolate, incorporate 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for a delicious mocha flavor. A tablespoon of nut butter, like almond or peanut, adds richness and healthy fats. You can even sneak in a handful of spinach for added nutrients. You won't taste it, I promise. Get creative and make it your own. Your delicious coffee smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall glass. For a touch of elegance, you can garnish it with a whole coffee bean or a light dusting of cocoa powder. It's best to serve and enjoy your smoothie immediately to experience its optimal cold and refreshing texture. This recipe typically yields 1 generous serving, making it a perfect quick treat or energizing breakfast. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.